Determine algebraically whether the function g of x plus 2 whole square minus 5 is even, odd, or neither. So in the last class, we were learned how to do it algebraically, that if a function is even, odd, or neither. We need to take the function g of x, which is given to us. And we need to put a negative, solve this function with a negative sign. Do you remember this?
Yes, I do.
How we are going to check whether a
Minus
function
x
is even
plus
or
2.
neither?
Yes.
We're
अगर
going to,
नेगेटिव आता है, अगर
or we can just solve it over here like a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 5, which is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1. That is more better. So now we can put the negative sign in our new g of x, minus x square plus 2 minus 6 minus 1, which will be equal to x square minus 2x minus 1. So x square minus 2x minus 1 is not equal to g of x.
Yes, so it is not.
So g of x is not equal to g of negative x. So it is not an even function. Now for checking for odd function, we need to do is negative g of x is equal to negative of x square plus 2x minus 1. It's 2x. Two AB would be 4x, na, Nita? We are opening the formula a square plus 2a and b is
4a, 4a, 4x.
आप साथ साथ कैलकुलेशन करो, okay? Going to be 4x. Anyways, x square plus 4x minus 1, which will be equal to minus x square minus 4x plus 1. So if we would take minus common, it would be x square plus 4x minus 1. So g of x is not equal to minus g of x. So the function is neither.
एक सेकेंड so ये माइनस लग गया उसके आगे तो माइनस
Got it?
It's not odd. Yes.
Okay.
So it's neither. Okay.
Question number 7. Use the table below to find the values of the following questions. So f g of 8. What is the value of g of 8?
एक सेकेंड में ये लिख लूं पहले x is equals to माइनस g of x होगा तो odd होगा. ठीक है. ओके. क्या कह रहे हैं? Use the tables below. Find the values of the following questions.
G of 8 means it's 8. So g of 8 is
1.
You will check it from here or you will check it from here.
G of 8 तो 1 है ना ऊपर उसकी वैल्यू. No?
Because g of
नहीं सॉरी g of x तो y हो गया और x की वैल्यू लेंगे 8.
Yes, we will take x value, g of x. So x is going to be 8. So the answer of y is going to be 0. So g of 8 is equal to 0. Now what is f of 0? Means f of 0 means f is equal to f of x, means x is equal to 0 at negative 5.
Oh,
Do you get it or not?
Yes, I'm getting it now. G of x.
Now g inverse 6.
Okay, ये है inverse 6. Inverse
But
G inverse
can cancel out and we will get 6.
Oh, okay.
Very easy. Nothing special.
For you, it's very easy.
Should I move on?
Yes, please.
Question number 8. Find the equation of g inverse x for the function g of x below. Write g inverse x in terms of y is equal to mx plus b. So the function is given as g of x, and we need to find g inverse x. So first of all, this is the function g of x. So take any 2 points on the function g of x. For example, this is the point 7 and 2. This is the point -3 and 6. So if we have 2 points, we can always find the slope m, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is y2? That is 6 minus 2, which is equal to -3 minus 7. So it's going to be 4 minus 10. So it's going to be -2/5.
ओके m की वैल्यू -2/5 ठीक है.
y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. Yes, okay. So now we have the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So what is m? X plus b. So now if we take any 1 point, and let's take 7 2. Put it over in the equation. Y is 2 and x is 7. So it's going to be 2 plus 7 times 2 is 14/5, which is equal to b. 24/5 is equal to
24/5.
So in the equation we're going to get -2/5x plus 24/5. So we have find the equation of we have find y. Now what were they asking? They were asking
Right g inverse x.
They were not asking to find y. I'm coming here. Y is equal to -2/5x plus 24/5. So change xy will become x is equal to -2/5y plus 24/5. Now solve for y. Do you remember how to do the inverse function? Sorry, it's g inverse x. So we got the function g inverse x. Okay. First of all, the first step was to find the slope. After finding the slope, take any 1 point. After taking any 1 point, put it in the equation. Putting in the equation, you will get the value of b and you will get the final equation. After getting the final equation, find the inverse. How to find the inverse? Change x and y and then solve for y. Then the answer for the y is f inverse x or g inverse x, whatever the function is. Okay?
Yes.
Should I erase it?
Yes, please. Terim, you didn't send me the video from the previous class.
Okay.
The questions that you were solving. Please send me on my email. Do you have my email address?
I will send you in case you can give me a reminder.
Okay, inshallah.
Use function composition to verify whether or not f of x and g of x are inverse functions. So if we need to know that if we have two functions f of x and g of x, and we need to know that if they are inverse functions or not, the method is if f of g of x is equal to x and g f of x is equal to x. If these two possibilities are there, then these functions are inverse functions. Otherwise, they are not inverse functions. So let's check them. First of all, we will check f g of x. So how to find f g of x? It is function composition. Now this is g of x. So put the g of x in this minus 3x by 4 plus 7. This has become f of x. You are going to consider this whole big thing as x. So the formula for f of x is minus 4 by 3 x. And what is x over here? X is minus 3x by 4 plus 7, x minus 7, like this. So this whole thing will be considered as x. Minus 4 by 3, minus 7 is, this is cancelled, minus 3x by 4. So this is cancelled and we will get x. So the first condition is satisfied. Now let's check the second condition, g f of x. So for g of x, what is f of x? Minus 4 by 3, x minus 7. Now what is the next step? Very important step is, this whole thing is now our x. So it's g of x. Minus 3, what is x? This whole thing. Minus 4 by 3, x minus 7 divided by 4 plus 7. Minus 3x. Okay. So to solve it, we will get plus 4x. No, it was minus should remain over here. Minus 4x plus 7 times 4 is 28 by 4 plus 7, which is equal to 4x minus 28 by 4 plus so both of the conditions are satisfied. So we can say that the functions f of x and g of x are inverses for each other. Understand?
I am understanding.
Here. Have you written it somewhere?
I'm writing. Hold on.
Hello?
Yes. I think I said I'm writing.
Okay.
Still.
Should I clear it?
No.
Okay.
No, please. No, please. Wait, I'll take a picture. Hold on. It's taking too long for me to write.
Voice is gone. If you're asking something to me.
Oh, no, I took a picture. It's fine. You can erase it.
The function f of x is mapped onto g of x such that g of x is equal to minus f 1 by 3x plus 2 plus 5. This is the function g of x, f of x, which is mapped onto g of x. If point q and n exist on f inverse x and corresponds to point q 4, 10 after the transformations, determine the value of m and n. So just look this question for 1 minute and I'm just counting 1 minute. The function f of x is mapped onto g of x such that g of x is this function. Okay. Now, the point q and n exist on f inverse x and corresponds to a point q 4, 10 after the transformations. So, if a point m n exists on f inverse x, it means the point n m will exist on f of x. So if we have a point n, it's 1 by 3, so it will go the transformation of multiply by 3, which is 3n, So we will get 3n minus 2. And the new point is 4, 10. So it would be equal to 4. Okay. Similarly, for the point M, so they were saying to find a new point and M, and the new point is 2 minus 5. Let me explain it again. We have a function g of x, which is equal to minus f 1 by 3 x plus 2 plus 5. So this is the function that is given to us. Now what is happening is we need to find f. There is a point q 4, 10, and this exists on f inverse x. So if mn exists on f inverse x, and m will exist on f of x. So determine the value of the transformation of m and n. So what is n going through? N is going multiply by 3 here, 3n minus 2 horizontally, 3n minus 2. And they said that x is equal to 4, so 3n minus 2 is equal to 4, n is equal to 6. Now what is m going through? M into minus 1 minus m into plus 5 minus m plus 5, which is equal to 10, and m will be minus 5. So we will get nm, which is equal to 2n minus 5. Done? Clear?
Mhm.
Done? Clear? Should I raise it? Move on?
No, please hold on.
Okay.
How did you get this into 3 and minus 1? Where did you get this from?
What?
N into minus n into plus 3, or m into minus 1? Where did this come from?
Okay. Because you know that, let me change the color. That this 1 by 3 is always reciprocal, so it's going to be multiplied by 3 over
Okay.
here. And this
Yes.
negative works on the y-axis, so it's going to be work over here, minus 2.
Okay. Okay. Okay, got it.
Okay. This time, there is again a graph, and you need to find the domain and range and things like that. And I am very hopeful that you will do it yourself. Use the graph of g of x below and answer the following question. This is the graph of g of x given in front of you. And what you are going to do is you are just going to answer what is the domain. So what is domain? Domain is something that moves along the x-axis. I am giving you 2 minutes to fill all of these blanks on your copy, and then I will discuss them for you.
Okay, let's see.
Done?
No, I'm still doing. Is equals to 3. Okay. I did not.
So what is the domain of this function? And domain
So
for your just to tell you, domain means the
x-axis,
coordinate, horizontal
x coordinate. Yeah. So it's negative infinity
Okay. So because it's
and
going over here, so it's going to be
yes,
negative infinity
yes, and then -4, which is not
minus
included.
4. It's giving a break on -4, and they are both
Yes, and then
open.
starting with the so it will be union, and then till
When you
8,
speak loudly, -4,
-4, and then 8.
8. So there will be a close bracket at 8 because the point
Yes,
8 is included. Very
yes.
good. And I want you to speak loudly. Range
Range will be negative infinity
negative infinity
and negative infinity, and then
maximum
what
it
was
is
that?
going till
3.
5.
Sorry, 3.
No, not 3.
Oh, sorry,
Maximum
1,
from the
2, 3,
y-axis, it's maximum going till 5.
5. Yes, till 5.
And 5 is included.
Yes, 5 is included. So big bracket.
Where is g of x is equal to 3?
G of x is equals to 3. So मतलब y is 3 बोल रहा है.
Yes, very good.
3. 1, 2, 3. So it is -4. -4 and 6.
Then where is -4? On -4, there is the point is not included.
Yes.
So it's
Then
not this point is not included. So
then
it
this
is
is
g of x is equal to 3 at 0
0,
and at
6,
6.
6. Okay.
G of -4.
G of -4 यानी x -4 है.
Speak loudly, Behan. Your mic is not good.
X, sorry, I don't know what is wrong with this is working, so I have to get a new mind. Okay, sorry.
This
So
is
g of x
-4
मतलब
and there is no point,
-4
so it does not exist.
है क्यों? Why?
Sorry. G of -4 means here.
हाँ तो ये हाँ
This
यहाँ पे
one,
हुआ.
sorry.
हाँ
And here
तो
it is
it
the
will
blank one, means the uncolored one. Uncolored means the point is not on the graph, so it means it does
हाँ.
not exist.
अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ हाँ ये
Okay. Where
ठीक
is
है.
G of x increasing?
G of s is increasing on the negative side.
If you need to give me the interval, beta. Negative
अच्छा.
infinity to
negative infinity 2 कहाँ होगा? बस negative infinity.
it's moving from negative infinity and stopping at negative
Oh, it's
4.
increasing in stopping at -4. Okay, it's
Further,
increasing.
where
Yes,
it is increasing, here it is decreasing. This interval is
decreasing.
not included
But
because
this is
it's
हाँ.
decreasing.
This is
So it
increasing
starts
from
increasing from
0 to.
no, from here it's going upward. From
अच्छा.
here it is -2. So it starts
-2
increasing from -2 and keeps on going
to 0
upward till +2.
+2.
Identify any relative minimum. What is relative minimum? What is minimum?
नहीं बताया ना भी ये.
I'm telling you, वैसे. What is minimum? Like if you just give a
So
hint.
ये जो बल जा रहा है नीचे वो है
Minimum means
minimum.
like the most minimum value.
हाँ.
So what will be the minimum value?
So ये 1 होगी नहीं?
1. Very, very good. Very good. What is absolute maxima?
Absolute जो सबसे ऊपर जा रहा होता है तो which is 5.
Good, good. 5. Very good. Where is g of x greater than 1?
G of x is greater than G of x is greater than 1. G of x is greater than 1. Well, G of x will be
Means
y is greater than 1. जीरो के ऊपर वाला हाँ hello
yes, yes.
I don't know that this one G of x is greater than 1. Which one will it be? Hello, I
Yes,
don't know
yes.
this one. I
Why?
don't know this one. G of x is greater than 1. What does that mean?
That it is greater than 1.
G of x मतलब y हो गया ना, y is greater
Yes.
than 1.
Yes.
Y is greater than 1. तो मतलब y is greater than 1 तो यही हो गया ऊपर वाला ये जो 1 है
This
हाँ
is
यहाँ से
1.
ऊपर तक
Yes.
हाँ
The
तो
whole
ग्रेट तो
portion.
5 तो this portion ना 1 to 5
1 to 5.
हाँ so how are we gonna mark it on the graph?
No, you can say it 1 to 5. Or you can mark it on
अच्छा
the graph. There is no blank. Like
okay
this, 5 is included and 1 is also included. You can say it like this, or you can just mark it on the graph if possible.
okay
Very good progress from the first day that you were not able to tell anything.
you think really? I don't
I'm
think
happy
so.
for you. Okay, consider
I
the
think
f of x and g of x. Evaluate g of 3. This is very easy one. You can solve it, and meanwhile I will solve it. Find g of 3. At your side, solve it on the register.
okay एक second ये तो
And
बहुत
you
easy
must
है
get a new mic before the next class.
Inshallah I will get a new mic
Solve
so
it yourself without
G3
looking at the board so you can know if it's correct or not.
3 is equals to 1 minus 3 into 3 by 2, then 1 minus 9 by 2, then minus 8 by 2 to 4, minus 4, G is equals to minus 4.
Good. Now let's solve
And
f g of x. Solve it
F
with me. F g of x. You need to solve it yourself and I will solve it simultaneously.
G x is F minus x by 2. तो okay, minus 5 plus 3 by
Done?
2.
F g of x.
No. 5 minus 5 minus 15x by 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 minus 5 minus 15x plus 3.
Done with the B part?
Almost. Hold on. 5 minus minus 2 minus 15x by 2. नहीं मेरा गलत आ रहा है.
Do
I'm
it
wrong.
and cross check.
No, actually सही आ रहा है मेरा. मेरा एक नेगेटिव आ रहा है. नेगेटिव 15x by 2 minus 1. ये क्यों आ रहा है मेरा? Interesting. Okay, कुछ गड़बड़ किया. एक सेकंड रुक जा. मैं टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ दिस. बाद में समझ लेंगे. Okay, next.
Next. G inverse 5. It means first of all we need to take the function g of x and function g of x is equal to 1 minus dx by 2. We know g of x is equal to y 1 minus dx by 2. To find the inverse, first of all, change x and y. The first step to find inverse is change x and y. Do it yourself.
Yes, I'm doing it.
And now solve it for y.
X is equals to 1 minus ये एक्सचेंज हो गया एंड देन 2 x is equals to 1 by